Warning: the following video is performed by a trained professional. It is meant for educational purposes only. Please do not attempt to try anything you see here. Enjoy.
Hey everybody, Dan from Southhawk Computing, back with another desktop tune-up report. This one here is for an Opitplex 745. We're going to do the benchmark on the regular drive, do the standard solid state upgrade. Here we go. So about 55 seconds. Not too bad for a regular drive. Alright, we'll get the solid state in there and we'll be back. Alright, we're back. Solid state's in. Let's do the comparison. Okay, 32 seconds. Definitely not way faster, but then again this machine wasn't too slow. But boot up never seemed to be an issue on this particular desktop here. But alright, there you have it. Dan from Southhawk Computing. Of course, like the video, subscribe, give great comments, all that fun stuff. And as always, until the next time.